Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Okay. Number 38. How can a alcohol be eliminated from the body? Okay. I want you to remember, paano nawawala ang alcohol sa katawan? No? Okay? Paano nawawala ang alcohol sa katawan? No? Okay? Water therapy. Marami kayong sumagot ng water therapy. Yan ba ang ginagawa nyo kapag may hangover? Okay. So pero meron pang isang guys, no? Meron pang isang pag-aaral that kapag ang pinupulutan mo is more on carbohydrates at fats, mas tumatagal ang absorption ng alcohol. Okay? Kung sa pagkain, ang iyong kinakain, no? Example, pulutan, more on fats, carbohydrates, mas matagal yung absorption sa katawan. Pero, siyempre, susceptible ka sa high blood pressure, heart attack. Ngayon, maraming sumagot sa inyo, no? Ang majority of you, but the answer is tama si John Mark, oxidation. Dalawa yan. Okay guys, no? How can alcohol be eliminated from the body? There are two processes. Yung una, oxidation. Ito yung natural process ng katawan natin na ginagamit yung alcohol ng dugo, yung alcohol sa katawan. At yung isa naman, I want you to take note of this. Itatype ko, excretion. Okay? So, excretion. Pag sinabi mong excretion, ito na yung urinating. Okay? Pag-ihi, lalabas natin yung alcohol. Pagsusuka, vomiting. Okay? Perspiration. Papawis. Okay? So, those are the example. O yung tinatawag natin, sinasama din yung breathing. No? Kasi pag humihinga tayo, nag-i-emit yung hininga natin ng certain alcohol. No? Na vapor. Okay, so, take note of that, no? Excretion. Oxidation and excretion. So, I want you to remember, no? Yes, pag-ihi, urinating, excretion yan. So, nilalabas natin yung alcohol. Pero yung iba, pag nagipag-inuman, no, uwihi. Okay, uwihi, no? Sabi iihi, pero umuwi. Okay, so, take note of that. Wag nyo take note yan, okay? Technique yan ng mga nakikipag-inom. Pag gusto nang umuwi pero hindi makapagpaalam, uwihi. Okay. So, let us now proceed to number 39. Okay. Ay, okay na, private. Okay, I'm sorry na private ko. Ulitin ko yung type. Kasi, mahirap kasi dito sa, na medyo laging nag-individualize automatic. So, tandaan nyo excretion. Excretion, yung another means of eliminating alcohol. Okay, ito yung urinating. Okay, aside from urinating, yung vomiting. Okay, perspiration, breathing. So I want you to remember that, no? So those are yun yung mga process of eliminating alcohol. So let us now back to the item. Dito na tayo sa isang item. Okay. Buti lagi nyo sa aking paalala na yung tinatype ko is okay, na napupunta sa private kasi minsan nag-automatic siya. So, average burn-off rate sa katawan natin. Gaya na sinabi ko, di ba, oxidation. Oxidation, nagburn o automatic burning of alcohol yung ating katawan, Okay? binaburn niya yung alcohol, oxidation. So, ilang percent, no, ang average burn off rate of alcohol? What is the answer? Anong sagot? Okay, si Wilmer ang sagot niya, no? Okay, nice try, Wilmer. But I want you to take note, no? Okay, ang sagot dito, yes, you are correct, John, Eric. The answer is alpha. 0.015. Okay? 0.015. So I want you to remember. Let us now proceed to the other. Ngayon, no? Ito, ginagamit ito ng mga law enforcer in abroad. Pero dapat gamitin din natin sa atin eh. No? Pero ang Pilipino kasi, parang investigation eh. Intuition, ginagamit natin. Sa mga pulis dito eh, parang nginan lang, okay, amuyan. So, pero sa ibang bansa, meron silang ginagamit na mga methods. Okay? Pero dapat, ganun din naman sa atin, dapat gamitin natin to. This is used to measure motorist degree of physical impairment by alcohol. Anong sagot dito? Ito yung measure na ginagamit para malaman kung ang nagda-drive, yung driver, ay may physical impairment na, yung degree ng physical impairment niya. What is the answer? Okay? Majority of you. No? Pero ito, guys, tandaan nyo, no? The question is in general. So, ang sagot nyo dapat in general term. Okay? So, the answer, I want you to take note, the answer for this one is field sobriety test. Field sobriety test. Okay? Field sobriety test. Ang sagot dito, guys, letter D. So, isulat, then yung keywords. Degree of physical impairment by alcohol. Yun, ang field sobriety test ay may 4 na techniques determine the degree of physical impairment. Ang 4 na techniques niya, letter A, number 1, horizontal gaze nystagmus. Ito yung technique na iniilawan ng pulis ang mata ng drunk driver at tinitingnan niya kung nakakasunod ito sa light. Okay? So, kung nagre-respond yung mata niya doon sa ilaw. Okay. Pag sinabi namang walk and turn, okay, palalakarin niya ito in a straight line and then may lilikuan. Ngayon, kung pasuray-suray ka, you will fail the walk and turn test. Pag sinabi mo namang one leg stand, in a certain minutes, tatayo siya ng one leg. Pag hindi niya magawa ito, failed siya. And yung huling technique, no, yung ginagamit kapag may aparato ka, yung tinatawag na, no, breath test, o yung hininga. Diba? Pag may alcohol breath test ka. Okay? So, sa bunganga, inilalagay yun, then madedetermine yung level of alcohol. Okay? So, take note of that. Okay? Yes, tama, tama, yes, tama, Teddy. Breath analyzer. Okay, let us now proceed to this one. Okay. What is the level of alcohol in the blood considered in order to declare a person under influence? Anong percent ng alcohol sa katawan? Anong sagot niyo dito? Okay? So, John and Arnel, okay, sumagot. Ano pa, guys? Anybody? Okay? So, what is the answer? Okay? So, tandaan nyo, ito yung updated tayo, guys, Updated tayo. I want you to remember, no? Ita-type ko. Yung 0.015 yan, okay? Yan ay, no, level of alcohol na ginagamit, no, from 1939, I want you to remember, from 1964. Okay? So, take note of that. Okay? Ang 15.15% niya na level of alcohol na i-considered ka as drunk ay from 1939 to 1964. So hindi na yan ginagamit ngayon. Yung 0.10%, okay, ginagamit yan 1965 to 1973. Okay? 1973. So, ang sagot, Charlie. Updated tayo, 0.08%. Okay? Ginagamit yan. Guys, tandaan nyo, no? Okay? 1974 to present. So, take note of that. Okay? Yan ang precise answer. No? I want you to remember, okay? Yan ang precise answer. Okay? 0.015 ginagamit niya nung una pala, noong 1939 to 1964, tapos pinataas ito ng 0.10 from 1965 to 1973, at ngayon na from 1972 up to now 0.08. Please remember that. Okay? So guys, break muna tayo before tayo mag-proceed. Okay? So, balik na lang tayo ng 10:30.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!